What is up, guys? So today we're gonna be playing Driver. Yeah, racing and drifting. Okay, so don't mind the controller. I just bought a controller for my tablet. Don't ask why. Just don't ask questions. But I have one thing for you. Okay, not liking and subscribing. Well, do that also. But why don't please tell Roblox to bring the chat back. Roblox is getting boring without the chat. Very boring. I just wanted to stop playing Roblox one day, but it's my favorite game. Monster Survivor. Play Fortnite. Hope that's actually an option, but no. I'm not playing Fortnite. It's way too laggy on mobile. So yeah. So please tell Roblox to bring the chat back. I can't even talk to my friends. I have about 450 friends, and tell them to fix the connection thing. It's called friends, not connections. There's connections. We're done. Okay, forget it. So we just need I just need the chat back. Not right. We need the chat back. Roblox is becoming quiet. Can't even talk to people in servers. Just see them walking around, like me, most of the time. But why don't I make a new account and make it over 13? They're gonna make that thing 2026 and it's already 2026, so we're not ready. So they're gonna scan your face to see if you're 13 or over or under. So you can unlock the chat. But I am not doing that. Who cares about these rules, bro? We need the chat back. Okay, so done yapping like that. Let's start the video. So this video is about what is this one? Okay, so why am I in a bacon avatar? Oh yeah, because I like the bacon avatars. The triple dual thing. Do I even have a red car? Okay, so every time I crash, my car gets faster. Let's start with the first car. Yep, I do have a red car. So this is my current slowest car. The first car you spawn with, mostly you choose. So I chose this because it looks the coolest from all the options. Okay, so every time I crash, my car gets faster. So starting now. What? That's really slow. Yeah, at least I have turbo. Bro, I'm so upgrading this car. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna waste my money in this car. I just wanna crash. Oh no. Hey, wait, this doesn't count. I know I can go through trees, but if I hit them, does it count? Okay, if I hit anything, it counts. Even things that I can't hit, like these trees. So yeah. Let's see. Gonna keep driving till I hit something. Bro, this car is slow. At least that gave me boost. Wait, no, stop. No, I'm not. Wait, that did not hit. I'm positive that did not hit. Okay. Woohoo! Bro, look how fast I go. Okay, that's literally nothing compared to the cars which are gonna come on in this video. I wanna do this thing so bad, bro. I better not hit that sign. I swear. Oh, I hit the sign. Okay, next car is gonna be. Okay, so this is not my second fast just my second slowest car, but I'm not gonna go through all my cars. Like, look at this. Like, look. You think this video is gonna be an hour if I do this? Like, what? This video is gonna be a whole hour if I do this. And plus, I'm a good driver. So yeah, I'm gonna choose a car from just like two. Like, I chose this. I'm gonna go to this. And then this, I'm gonna go to this. And then this. Okay, I'm just gonna choose the interesting cars. I wonder how fast this car goes. Wow, that's way faster already. Why did I jump out the car? X to sit. Wait, I don't mean that seat. Get out of the car! Yeah. Oh, this is way faster. Which one is... Yo, you guys really liked my last short, which is my most viewed video right now. Like, I literally made the coolest trick shot. Not gonna lie, that was actually really cool. It's not a trick shot, but I just wanted to, like, the craziest comeback ever or something. If you didn't watch it, make sure to go watch it. And like 1,000 views. That's insane. I crashed. I guess next car. What on earth is this car? It's like a car but covered with cardboard. I kinda like it. Don't ask me why. Bro, wait, is that just my normal car? Like, wait, is it that? Okay, it's gonna be the car which is covered in the cardboard is a car that I'm gonna show in the video. Like, maybe the car next, maybe afterwards, I don't know. I don't know how many cars I have. But it takes so long, like, to do this, like a full 360. Okay, tunnel time, bro. Oh my! No, chill out. My goodness, that's even insane. Chill. Stop making that sound. Is the game broken or something? And I crashed. I know I did crash there. So next car. I'm kind of excited for this car. It looks kind of cool. Don't know when I bought it, but yeah. Maybe I got it for completing a challenge. Free BMW? I'm gonna do that quest later. Well, not on the video, but yeah. This car looks sick. Let's talk about how sick it is. Bro, I wanna know the top speed. Oh god. No. Come on out of me. We got this beast over here. Let's see how fast it is. Wow, that's already there. Not the tunnel sound. At least this one's not that loud. Oh, that sounds bad. Is the car broken? No. Why do I keep crushing? I guess next car. Bro, this is not an upgrade at all. But it's still quick. Hey, we're not gonna count that. I technically did hit it, but I technically hit it. But whatever. Oh my god, see how fast this is? But you cannot steer this properly. So quick that you can't even steer it. My god. Godly, that was insane. Insanely sharp turn. No, man. I was just having fun with this car and I crashed. You got to be kidding. Next car. Bro, this thing looks like one of these flying cars, you know. Okay, let's see how fast it is. Like, can it actually fly? I don't think so. but it does look like a flying car, low-key. Bro, it's not faster than the last car. How is this an upgrade? That thing launched so fast. Man, I could. Okay, I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna go to the next car. So when I was switching the car, it somehow came in the sea. So let's just get back. A few moments later. Okay, that was weird. Why did I say that? That's so weird. A few moments later. Bro, this car is so not getting up there. I need something with horsepower, which is gonna be the next car. I don't think this has enough horsepower because it's my least favorite car, but I'm gonna try it anyways. No sound. What's the point? I thought at least in game it has a sound. Best thing has ever happened. It can't climb. So Tesla, I'm not gonna use it. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna go up there again. Hey, if you guys want to see me play Rivals with a controller, just comment or just leave a like. Something simple, so I just know that you want me to do. Time to spawn the car. Here it is. NX. Let's see how fast Tesla really are. I kind of want to upgrade to see how cool it will look, but not a fan. Okay, let's go. If you guys want me to do another part, like part 2, just comment it down below, and I'll get way faster cars. Like maybe all the maybe. That's just a maybe. Yeah, I should pay to win for that because I'm not staying like 8 hours getting the most expensive car in the game just for one car. Just explain how Teslas have turbo, like how the round. I feel like I'm gonna climb, but sticks the landing, schmoop. Wait, can I climb that? Don't think so. I need a godly off-roading car, which is gonna be next, but I didn't crash it yet. So let's crash it, but I kinda wanna crash it at the same time. So yeah. Psych. Not just because I don't like it, think I'm gonna cheat. No. Never gonna cheat in this game. Psych. I'm going straight into that wall. So I just realized I don't have an off-roading car. So time to use my money. So I just want to get it to 1 million. So yeah. So I can see what off-roading car I can buy. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go straight to the next car. If it's luckily an off-roading car, I'm gonna use it. And nope, it's not an off-roading car. It's this thing. That one's roughly this is. Okay, I time to see how fast it really goes. I spent so much money in this car, customizing it and just getting it. Bro. Oh my god. Imagine the first 5 seconds I crashed that. Well, this car kind of fly. Psych, that's what you get. That's what you get for trying to pass me. Dodge user. Oh god. That was actually a clean turn. You better not be following me, I swear. I'm just gonna go with the big guns if you follow me again. No, stop. I'm losing control. No, you're not. I got it. I'm just gonna get up here. Go forward. No. Oh god. Well, I guess I'm gonna use a Dodge. What did I say? His car is a Dodge and this is a Dodge. This is not a Dodge. To be honest, I don't know the names. Yeah. Let's see if I can go up that hill. without falling and hitting the wall. Totally didn't do it on purpose. Hey, I'm about to hit 1 million money in this game. Whatever the money's called. Green thingies, blocks, cake, same thing. Bro, I'm just gonna say this is the off-roading car. Can anyone tell me what the name of this car is? Cause I forgot. Wow! Wait, this actually rides smoothly. I crashed it when I said it rides smoothly. Now I'm not gonna talk good about this car, cause it is good, but I'm not gonna talk good. Like, you know what happened with the off-roading car, right? Just a second. But the car looks kinda cleaned up. Should I upgrade? Should I upgrade it? Nah. Oh my! Time to go downhill. Does water count as crashing? Cause I don't think so. But we're about to find out. Nope, it does not. Cause I go through it. Wait, I said the things I should go through. Man, it's still water. Nothing happens. I thought about my car better not stop. I swear. Bro, this car stopped. I don't think that it's that realistic for the cars to stop. Why am I lagging so bad? There's like nothing in the chat. How did I save that? Wait, I hope it's a save. Got the stop. What is the brake? X? That is not the brake if I'm being honest, but that's drifting. If I'm not wrong. Didn't play this game in a while, so I don't know what's up. Wait, can I hit some clean drifts here? Nope, I cannot. Next car. Let's go, Toyota Supra. This thing's gonna be lit. Let's go. Time to see how fast it goes. I'm pretty sure it's slow. Why does it... I always try to get a faster car, but it keeps getting slower. Yeah, makes sense. I didn't upgrade the car. I only upgrade stupid cars. Okay, next car I crashed. Lamborghini, or whatever this car is. Let's go. I don't know it because Lamborghini isn't my favorite car. Oh my god! If I crashed that, that would have been a new record. Okay. No. Man, this Lambo is slow. I know I crashed like 2 times or 3, but I just want to see how fast it goes first before I switch. That's kind of fast. I'm gonna start using this car more. Okay, let's see with the Nitro. But I made it slower? What is up with this game? Okay, next car is gonna be a Toyota Supra because that's the next fastest car I have. Let's go. Hey, you thought a different kind of Toyota Supra? Nah, I got this cool looking one over here. Like, what is this exhaust, my guy? What? It looks like a bubble or something. Looks like a ball can or something like that. Give me another chance. Yeah, okay. Give me another chance. Let's go. Look, I'm never gonna crash. The thing about the desert is there's way too many trees. How can I go without it? Give me another chance. Just let me get on the road. Okay. No more chances. Let's go. Bro, that's actually quick. That's really quick. That's such a cool drift because that's what Supras are made for. That was the worst drift I've ever hit in my life. Okay. Dang, bro, dang. Bro, why does it keep leaning like that? Bouncy car. Whoa. Bro, I literally almost hit a backflip. But why does it keep doing that? Who cares? Next car. Guess what this time? Another Toyota Supra. Hey, this one's good. This one's good this time. I did upgrade this, as you can see. Why did I make it red? That's literally my least favorite color. Whatever. Okay. Why is it bouncy? I am so fixing the suspension. I don't care. Bro, this car is bouncy. Need to fix the suspension. Handling. No, I need suspension. Make this thing like 0. No. You actually just need this. Yeah. Oh, I just needed the first one. Okay. Yes, I upgraded the car. Let's go. Why was it like, why was I like in the middle of the sea for a second? Now this looks more like a Toyota Supra, not a bouncy house. Okay, let's go. Wow, this actually drives smooth. Okay, this drives very bad. I'm just saying that so the game doesn't think that I'm like a bad driver and makes me hit something. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention. What? Look at the speed. No, this thing's crazy. Nearly 300 miles per hour. Hey, see my reaction time? I'm good at it, Godly. I need those. I only hit 300 miles per hour. Okay, what I was gonna say is I forgot to mention, if I hit another person, the challenge ends. No matter what car I'm in, the challenge ends. Even if it was the slowest car in the game. Bro, this Supra better make it up there. I knew I can count on Supras. They're way better than these Elon Musk things. If I even said his name right. Elon Musk. Yeah, that's better. What was Elon Musk anyways? Oh god. No, that was literally my favorite car so far. And I crashed it. Next car. This is my first ever customized car in this game. So yeah, let's test it out. I feel like this is the wrong way. Yeah, it's supposed to be like that. Let's test it out. Jump. I upgraded this thing to the max and it's still slow. Okay, so this is the car which was like in the cardboard thing, like the cardboard car. Like this was the car under the cardboard. You know, get the point. What is a race pass anyways? Okay. Give me another chance. I was staring at the race pass thing in the corner of the screen. Okay. Now you know why it's my favorite car. Oh my god. How did I just absolutely reaction time, that powerful reaction time hit that? I want to go in first person and see how it feels. If I crash, it's not my problem. It's just because it's first person. What do I click to change my camera? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Wait, no. Here. Okay, that does not count. Okay? Yeah, that doesn't count. I didn't know it's so. What is up with this game? Okay, I know I lost, yeah. But lucky for me, I did not see any players so far. I did see some, but look at the sick white interior, huh? Like the Vio one. Okay. Zoom. Crash everything. Okay, next car. We finally got a Dodge. Let's go. What is this yellow thing I'm looking at? What is looking out? Okay, that does make sense, but that's not what I meant. flip car, close, let's go. Back on the road, let's go. Bro, like, this looks like lemon, but like the darkest black, the darkest black part in it. This was where I made my first video. Next car. Here we got this GTR. You've got to be kidding me, I'm already stuck when I just spawned it. My goodness. Wait, no, don't crash. Crash land. That was actually kind of sick. This is my favorite customized car so far. How did I just dodge that? What is aura? Okay, I don't know what aura is, but that was clean. Don't mind the broken heart in the front. Yeah, meant to do like a logo, but didn't find one. So yeah, that looks the closest to a logo if you ask me. But it looks cool, and it's the only red thing I found, which goes with the black and red vibe. Okay, just I'll explain why I put like a tail, like a bunny's tail on this thing, because I like the color white. That's the only reason. How dare you try to hit? I'm going back. Bro, if he hits me, I will be hooked. No! That was my favorite car. This is my favorite car. Kinda wanna go off-road. So I'm gonna spawn my car here. We're going with the Lamborghini here. Hey, I didn't hit it. Okay. Fully black Lamborghini. Hey, no. I missed like by half an inch. Bro, this car is fast. I'm never gonna fall in that thing in my life. Okay, I kinda wanna don't tell me that's a play. It's just a bush, good. No. Bro, I hate the desert now. I'm still gonna use it though. Doesn't matter. I barely played with it. Okay, no rule. If like I have 10 seconds, like immune, like invincible to anything, even if I crash. But after the 10-second finish, yeah, I'm gonna come back to visible. Okay, 10 seconds. Let's go. Not because I crashed. Okay. I'm the best driver of all times. No, don't you dare. Hey, that was not a crash if you ask me. No. That was not a crash. No. That is not a crash. I just flipped. Flipping, crashing, not the same thing. At all. Where is that? Wait, I gotta get slower. What am I doing? I crashed. First thing, let's talk about that Lambo over there. That looks clean. I did not let me get out. Get out. How sick is that? I'm kind of a fan of Lambos now. After seeing this, bro, that actually looks clean with the wheels. I kind of like that. I kind of want to buy one. But like $1 million. Okay, whatever. Next car. Don't ask me why I say next car so in a very cringe way. I know. Lamborghinis are faster than McLaren. Psych, this thing is the fastest thing you're gonna ever see in your life. You can call me a liar, but it's actually true. Like, look at this. You can't say this is faster. This is slower than the Lamborghini I used before. And look at this cool trick I'm gonna hit with. That kind of looks like Voltus. What is Voltus? I mean, Voltus, like car. Boom. My goodness. That was actually kind of clean. Low key. I did not crash. Flipping, crashing, like I said. Difference. You thought they were dead there for a second, right? I'm gonna go like into a road, so I'm gonna do that right now. I know this map so well, and like I know where every road is. Wrong way. This is just gonna take me in a loop. Over there. Just count how fast we can go into a road. Just what? Count. Okay, now I crashed the car, yeah. But just keep counting. Let's see how fast I can get into a road. Okay, like somewhere here. Yes! Found a road. Okay, so tell me in the comments how long it took me to find a road. So, next car. Ooh, I found 2 roads. Again, next car. This thing is a jet. No, like a jet. If I crash, no, I need 10 tries, because this thing does not turn. Look, this is I'm like turning maximum. This thing does not turn, so give me like 10 tries at least. What? 10 tries, because this thing is a rocket. You can't tries. I'm just gonna say when to stop. Oh my god. Bro, see how this thing does not turn. But it's a beast. Wait, watch this. I wanna go into the water so I can show you how fast it is. Really? I use this to like for straight races most of the time. Why does this make me slower? There we go. 300 miles per hour normal speed. Up more than 300 miles per hour. Wait, can I hit 400? Come on, 400. Come on, I need the nitro to go a little faster. Zoom. 400 in like, I don't know, 7 miles per hour. This thing is insane. Whoop, I found the next car. And we're back. Bro got the cleanest wing ever. Low key. And here, this is like my most favorite car in this game. Not the fastest, but look at these 2 bad boys. See this and that? What is that thing? Pickle car. I swear to God, why did okay. Man, I'm gonna give you like 10 minutes playing with this car. I have to go to the toilet ASAP. My boy doing wheelies. Let's go. Okay, I'm not gonna go to the toilet. I'm just gonna stay here and watch for 10 minutes. I'm just kidding. I'm just gonna steal the car. Like this. This is my car here, boy. Or girl. Whatever that avatar is. Don't know what it is really. This is what you get for stealing cars. Okay. First time, second. Okay. 10 seconds and then. Oh my god, this is really fast. I forgot how fast this is. Keeps making me slower when I click the turbo. Oh my god! This car is quick! I remember there's a ramp somewhere here. Yep. I absolutely missed it. You've got to be kidding. I just started with this car. But, next car. There is only one more car after this. So this is my second fastest car in this whole game. It's not about crashing right now. Okay, it is about crashing and the 10 seconds going. Finish. Oh, this thing is quick. The thing literally flies. Guys, not shooting, but I'm button. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. End of the year? I'm not chill. I started getting subscribers nowadays. So yeah, I feel like we're gonna do it like next month. Yeah. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Okay. Let's see if I crash now. The video closed for some reason. So I have to open it again. Well, why did it take me forever to get up there? My favorite mountain, which is just gonna make me go right through it if I do this. Man, that part I just fall right through the map. But no, I did not agree to this. It's so slippery though, you can hit the cleanest drifts. I wanna... Okay, let's go for the last car because I clearly crashed. So yeah. Here is the... What? No. I said, here is my fastest car in this game. Look at this beast. Bro, I almost fell into the shadow lane. Look how smooth it can climb mountain. Yeah, I should get out of this place. But the thing takes forever to turn. I don't know why. Yeah, going down with the speed of sound. But I'm gonna launch so far. That was actually not that far. Thought there was gonna be a ramp for some reason. Oh my god! There's an earthquake. If you're in the server and you're like had an earthquake, yeah, that's me. Just popping that balloon over there. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. But look at the chat. All races. Because I can't see it. But same for other people mostly. So please tell Roblox to fix the chat and see you later.